flying through a silence guardian, a watchful protector, a dark night I am. Okay, fine, so I am not Batman, I am just a bat. But like Batman, I am often misunderstood. People think that I am scary, strange, and dangerous. If they only knew my story through, I'd be cheered as a hero. When people think of bats, many think of vampires who want to suck their blood. But the truth is that out of over 1,200 bat species, only 3 of them are vampire bats. And out of the 3, only one prefers the blood of mammals. And even these bats mostly feed on cattle. Maybe that still doesn't seem so great, but vampire bats can be a great help to humans. A chemical known as dismutable found in vampire saliva helps break down blood clots and is being tested by recovering stroke victims. Of the remaining 1,000 plus species of bats, about 70% feed on insects. These bats help control the real vampires, mosquitoes, whose nasty bites are not just annoying but spread diseases like West Nile virus. A single little brown bat can eat 1,000 insects every hour. And a colony of Mexican free trail bats can eat several tons of moss in just one night. In the United States alone, bats provide an estimated $3.7 billion worth of free pest control for farmers, which benefit everyone who eats the food that they grow. Fruit bats, also called megabats because of their large size, are important for the role they play in plant pollination. By traveling between flowers while feeding on nectar, these bats transfer the pollen and seeds that help plants reproduce. In Southeast Asia, for example, the cave nectar bat is the only pollinator of the durian fruit. Other bats pollinate peaches, bananas, and the agave plants that tequila is made from. Without them, many of our food plants would be unable to produce the tasty fruit we enjoy. As heroes of the ecosystem, bats have their own unique utility belts. Bats have been a source of inspiration for designing of flying robots and even an energy efficient spy plane. As they are the only mammal capable of true powered flight. As they are the only mammal capable of true powered flight, echolocation, a type of biological sonar, is also used by bats as a way to navigate and find prey in the dark. Although they are common misconception that bats are blind, in truth, all species of bats have sight, and some even adapted to large eyes to see better in dim lighting. And some have even adapted large. Many people worry about getting infected by bats. And like any other mammals, bats can carry diseases like rabbits. In reality, through less than 5% of 1.5% of all bats carry this virus. That's about the same odds as getting the same result on a coin flip 8 times in a row. The perception that bats are often diseased may come from the fact that sick bats who may show unusual behavior emerge during the daytime or be unable to fly are more likely to be encountered by people.